Hello, welcome back. There has been some confusion in the past weeks regarding the possibility of non-EU citizens to still open bank accounts in Portugal. In this video, we address this and we are explaining what is it all about. So what is happening for non-EU citizens with the bank accounts? Why is this confusion? Well, a few weeks ago, a new policy entered in effect and it is mandatory for all the banks. This policy basically states that in order to open a bank account in Portugal, you need a valid EU residence card. So you know that from some time now I partner up with Border. Border is this private company owned by two US citizens who came to Portugal, fell in love with Portugal and decided to move here. And because they find out firsthand about the bureaucracy in Portugal, they started this company in order to make your life easier. So they help you obtain a NIF and a bank account. Everything is done online and it allows you to focus more on your move and less on the bureaucracy here in Portugal. So Border reached out to his primary bank partner here in Portugal and asked about this policy, and this is what we found out. Right now in Portugal, it is still possible to open bank accounts for non-EU citizens, but each bank can choose their clients. So if they don't want to work with non-EU citizens, you might find yourself in the position to be refused and to be told that you cannot open a bank account if you don't have this EU residence card valid. But the good news is that Border can still help you open a bank account easily, no fuss, everything is done online because their primary bank partner are still opening bank accounts for non-EU citizens. Yay! This is happening effective immediately, so if you are a customer of Border, don't worry, you will get your bank account. If you are a new person who wants to purchase the Border services, this is happening right now, so you can apply to obtaining a NIF and a bank account and you will get it right away. There is no delay here. And I want to take this opportunity to answer a question that pops up quite often in my comments on YouTube. There are people writing me from all over the world, not just US. There are people writing me from India, Pakistan, all Eastern European countries that are not in EU. This is the point. All sorts of other countries, other from UK and US. And you are asking me if you can obtain a bank account and a NIF if you are not in Portugal. And the answer is yes. This is the whole point of Border, to help you obtaining a NIF and a bank account online, remote, without your presence being required in Portugal. So all that you have to do is click the link in the description. You will see there all the prices. You have different packages. If you need 2 NIFs, maybe for your spouse or partner, or maybe 2 bank accounts, and all sorts of compilation packages. They are there to help you spend less money. You get a reduction from each package you choose, so all the information are there. And also there you can find the documents you need in order to obtain a NIF and a bank account. You have all the information on the site, so it is very possible for you to obtain a bank account and a NIF without being in Portugal and without being an EU citizen. I hope this clears up a little bit the matter. And of course, this service also helps EU citizens. For them it's easier, but for people who want to concentrate on their move and not on the Portugal bureaucracy, they want to make things easier, of course Border can help them too. And of course I want to mention, as I mentioned in all videos that I talk about this subject, you absolutely, if you are in Portugal, can obtain the NIF and a bank account for yourself. You don't actually need to work with a third party, but Border is here to make your life easier. So this is the scope of this company. If you are accustomed with bureaucracy, if you are not bothered by it, by all means go and obtain a NIF by yourself. Also go to 1 or 2 or 3 banks and you can obtain a bank account, you can open a bank account for yourself, so you can do that, but Border is here to make your life easier. So this is a short video only to bring you the latest news about bank accounts in Portugal, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!